This section will walk through how to configure a location layout using a new empty location. After a location has been created, navigate to the layout view for that location. Click the Edit button in the header, or click the blue information banner to enter layout mode. The first step to creating a layout is to set up a background image for the display. Open the Tools menu and select Add Background Image from the list. This will open the Add Background Image dialog, where you can add new images to the application or select from a list of existing images. Once an image has been selected, it will appear as the background image for the location layout. The next step is to add a grid onto the background image. Depending on the room dimensions and complexity, different options for adding a grid will work better than others. For this background image example, the Draw Polygon option is best suited. With the Draw Polygon Grid method, read the instructions listed in the dialog and begin clicking each corner of the designated grid area. Upon clicking the Complete button, the user will be asked to enter the length of the highlighted line. Enter an approximate or exact length of the highlighted line and Hyperview will calculate the grid dimensions automatically. Additional steps can be taken next, like adding new racks to the grid. Click the Add New Rack option from the Tools menu to begin this process. The Add New Rack form will open and will need to be configured by the user. For this example, an APC AR3100 model has been chosen with the default direction facing up. Click onto the grid cells to outline rack placement. Next, the user may want to add tiles to the grid as well. Select the Add Tile option from the Tools menu to open the Add Tile menu. Select a tile type and click on the grid cells just like when adding racks to place new hot, cold, or perforated tiles to the grid. Finally, to end the process, click the Save button in the Layout header to finalize the changes made to the location layout and exit Edit mode. Hyperview also supports embedding Google Maps into the location layout to allow users to explore their locations geographically. To set up a Google map for a location, begin by entering the address property for any child locations under the main location. The address property may be auto-completed by using Google Maps APIs to generate the geographical map automatically. Once the address property is added, navigate back to the main location layout view and enter Edit mode. While the location layout is in Edit view, click the Mode menu and select Map Mode to switch to the Google Maps view. Click the Save button to close the Layout Edit mode and set the Google Maps layout as the default layout view. For additional information or to schedule a live demonstration, please visit hyperviewhq.com.